everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. So today, as you can see, I got the wire setup, which was actually from yesterday. And we were mounting these bridle rings on the side of the cable tray up in the ceiling. And this is in the containment, luckily. Part of our pathway for the new fire alarm that we're running is partway through the containment. So we got that running through there. Outside of the containment right there, which is the other side of the wall that you just saw, had to take the containment cart down the hallway and pop these tiles and run more bridle rings along the cable tray where it still existed, and then we had to punch through the firewall right there above the door, and then also run the bridle rings down the hallway to this double doors right here, which is where the fire home runs are going back to. So worked on that yesterday and today, and then the rest of today went ahead and organized this, brought in some materials, and organized this one gang box right here while my apprentice worked on the one next to me. So I got this looking really nice. I'm really happy with it. Everything's not exactly where I want it, as like the boxes and stuff aren't next to each other where it would be nice, but anyways, it is what it is for now. Maybe one day I can get back to it and make it look better. But anyways, that's all I got for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to come back for more videos. Anyways, that's going to do it. Love you guys and have a great rest of your day. Bye.